Boy, it sure is nice leaving the hectic, noisy city during lunch to eat in the quiet, restful serenity of the countryside.
Launching this. Hey, power, got any of that Dijon poo-poo? Yum, this stuff feels great the way it burns the throat on the way down. Here, try some.
Good day. I'm H.A. Futterman, Professor of Broadcast Standards here at Kids WB, and you've just witnessed Relax-O-Vision. Relax-O-Vision is a process that inserts calming, mirthful images into scenes that might be too intense for the kiddos watching at home. For example, Freakazoid's extremely violent brawl with the demon ninjas was replaced by a soothing scene of fishies as they think their happy little pleasant thoughts. Now settle back and get ready to enjoy the first cartoon ever broadcast in calming, safe, kid-friendly Relax-O-Vision.
When I get my hands on you, I'll gouge your eyes out, stuff them up your nose, and I'll make you taller than me.
Keep still, pal. I'll get you out. Burn out! Just what do you expect to do with that little thing? Now this is a club.
Say, that's a big one. What you gonna do with that?
Honey, you're a mess.
I don't feel very well. But soon I shall be back in the garden.
Gosh, this is all my fault. Allow me to help you out here.
Oh, thanks a lot, Auntie Em. You're not such a bad little guy after all.
Hey, diddle.
Yeah, right.
Wait, hey, hold it, enough! Hey, Pal, I've had just about enough of this relaxo-vision thing.
Oh, yeah? What are you going to do about it? Ow! Ooh! Yout! Ow!